It can even now drive through streams, as well. It's scarcely been a month since we were acquainted with the primary all-new Mercedes-Benz G-Class SUV in numerous years. Presently, we're prepared to grasp the amped-up form from AMG, and as you presumably expect, it's the genuine article. Make proper acquaintance with the 2019 Mercedes-AMG G63, and we'll simply slice. Ideal to the great part. This square-shaped SUV will tear to 60 miles for each hour in 4.4 seconds, which is about an entire second superior to its elite antecedent. How does the G63 achieve such an accomplishment? You're most likely reasoning the adequate AMG provided control help merits all the credit. However, that is just piece of the story. The recognizable 4.0-liter biturbo V8 is held for the G63, yet it's needed to belt out 577 pull, 430 kilowatts. That is absolutely a lot of oomph. However, contrasted with the past G63, it's just a 14 HP, 10 kilowatts change. In this way, credit should likewise be given to the huge weight reduction amongst new and old models, 375 pounds, 174 kilograms, to be particular. You may likewise see that the G63's 577 horsepower coordinates that of the AMG GT. You're not wrong, but rather in the SUV this motor creates a fantastic 627 pound-feet, 850 Newton-meters of wind, which is more than 100 more than you'll discover in the GT R 60, more contrasted with the past AMG G63. Include every one of these tidbits up and abruptly you have a square-shaped G-Class that can surpass numerous no-nonsense game cars in day-by-day stoplight-to-stoplight flights. Obviously, the new G63 is something beyond its motor. Taking care of the power is an AMG Speed Shift TCT Pleasant Speed programmed with a full manual mode accessible. Move through or shifters on the AMG particular game guiding wheel. AMG tuned for MATIC all-wheel drive is set up to send 60% of the power rearward, while AMG suspension changes offer standard issue versatile flexible damping, which can be improved for on a rough terrain execution. Most settings, obviously, can be balanced through the AMG dynamic selection capacities, which can give 4 present alternatives or a 5th choice which can be modified by the driver.